Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters.
Good afternoon,
Some
Father.
message of gratitude to some of the people who have been part of our celebration today. I would like to express my gratitude to, first and foremost, our priest presider for today. He is the rector and the parish priest of the Archdiocesan Shrine of the Miraculous Medal and the parish of St. Vincent de Paul inside Adamson University. None other than Reverend Father Joel Restorel Sr. Father, thank you very much for accepting our invitation, even though you also have your own celebration in your shrine and parish. Thank you very much. Father Joel used to be our vicar for AIM. I was under his leadership when I was still in Ermita Church. Father, nice to see you. Thank you for accepting our invitation. Likewise, I'd like to also express our gratitude to our past sponsors for today. Thank you po to the School of Hospitality Management and School of Tourism. Thank you very much. And to our choir, the Jasams Rondalia, maraming salamat for playing beautifully for our celebration. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sir Marco Benitez, our University President, thank you for attending and joining with us. Also, Sir John, thank you very much. Also, I'd like to express gratitude to the Conrado Benitez Institute for Business Education, CPAE. And tomorrow, I'd like to invite you to attend our Fiesta Mass at 4 p.m., 4:30 p.m., to be presided by our very own, our alumnus, Reverend Father Geoffrey Eborda, OSA, Order of St. Augustine. So he graduated here, he studied here, so please attend and let us get to know our very own alumnus priest. Thank you very much. Please all stand.